Good morning everyone, Muriel here in the craft room. So I wanted to come on and show you guys this loaded file folder that I created. So lately I have been having farmers market on my mind. I know it's probably, we're about a month out and a lot of the local markets will start and open up and begin bringing to us some of those fresh local grown vegetables and fruits, and I can't wait now that I have made this lifestyle change where I have been on a no sugar no carb trek, and it's been working out very well. I'm down 11.5 pounds so far since January 28th, and I'm real excited about it. I kind of miss it a little. Like me and my daughter went to have some Asian food, and you know they're big on noodles and rice, but I had some soup and it was full of vegetables and it was great. So anyway, I can't wait till many of these markets open to bring to the table a variety of vegetables. So with that in mind, I thought I would create a file folder, and of course the outside of the folder has everything to do with farmers market. The inside of the folder has nothing to do with farmers market. But anyway, it is a folder that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And of course the folder has nothing to do with the farmers market either. It is, it was a 3-pack. This was at Hobby Lobby when they were having things on clearance. Maybe 2 clearances ago, because I can see there still is a little yellow tab there. But they are by the Reset Girl, Carpe Diem, so it's definitely for planning and file folders and things like that. And it came with a pack of 3, and there are pockets on both sides. But I've always thought of this, and I've always thought of this pack of jelly bean soup, fresh vegetable soup, cardstock to go with it, die cuts to go with it. So it's all about 2 packs of seeds, vegetables, baskets, carts, mason jars, recipe card, and some farmers market and You Are My Sunshine, along with some utensils. So really cool. I just have a few left. Again, this was picked up at Hobby Lobby, Tuesday morning, again, so long ago. So these 2 I am working hand in hand to bring to you this loaded file folder. And you can see I just used 2 of the what would be seed bags here. I put some, what is that called, some burlap down over the front of it. I just had a piece of burlap and I cut it down. I also kind of frayed it so that the edges would be frayed on all 4 sides. So that was layered first, and then I began to just layer lots of the die cuts down. There's a butterfly here. I put 3 pearls there to give it some more dimension. The shopping cart, I put some vegetables down here. They're on dimensions. There's a wooden farmers market piece here. There is a chicken. There is a goat. Or was that a cow? That's a cow, sorry. So just, and then You Are My Sunshine, and I did nothing to the back. I just left the back. But then I remember Michael's had these in their dollar bin. So it's like a watering can, a small shovel, and a small rake, like for planting. So I thought that would be the charm that's on the side of it, and I just put a jump ring through there with an eyelet. And in the inside, I'm sharing some things I picked up at Tuesday morning with this pen pal. The Maggie Holmes sequins, really pretty. Some blue, some pink and red, and then these gold here. I went to Tuesday morning last Thursday. That's when my truck comes, and literally cleaned the shopping cart dry because they had just got stuff in. There was nothing on the walls of Maggie Holmes, but then when I turned around and looked in the cart, I just dove in. So I bought enough to share. Then I am sharing with this person some of these tags. Now it came in a bigger package, but it was too big to shove in here, so I cut the package in half, kept the label, and then put some of my trim on top, right? So all of those are in there. These tags are from the Open Book collection. And then I am sharing these doilies. There are 20 in here, paper doilies. I guess 10 gold and 10 white. and I folded over this edge so that it could go inside the file folder. And you can see the file folder is really made really well. And then I just layered all these yummies on top. So I thought I would create another one and show you guys, in case you have this in your stash, you need to pull it out so we can use it. So here is one of the file folders that I'm using, right? And it's got some stuff here and some stuff there, and on the back, kind of the same. So the first thing I did, I took this ruler because it was so flat. I wanted to kind of loosen these fibers in the paper up so that it would, excuse me, it will accept what I'm going to shove in there. So, right, that's just my little thing I do. Kind of tell those fibers, wake up. I've already put a die eyelet through the hole here. So then we'll go ahead and begin putting this together. Let's see here. Okay, first thing I want to do is to put my burlap down, and I just eyeballed this. Actually, that's not first what I want to do. First I want to do is I have the Farmer's Market little die cut, and I want to take the sticky off and layer it down. So while I am doing this, I want to tell you guys about some exciting news that I have to share. My daughter has started a YouTube channel, and I want you all to go over and visit it and give her some support. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the link down in the description box below. But my daughter loves makeup, and she has done very well putting it on and learning how to do it from YouTube. She does a fabulous job. I can't tell you enough. So I've already layered that down. Now I have this sun, half a sun, and I'm going to put that over there in that corner. I'm just going to put some hot glue there. And I'm going to put this right about here. Like so. Okay. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I have this butterfly, and I'm going to layer him right on top of that sun. Just going to hit it with the glue gun. So yes, so she has done her first tutorial. Oh my gosh, and I think she did a fabulous job. I really am proud of her. I'm not a bragger of my daughter. I kind of know what she's capable of, and I'm not sharing it with a lot of people, but you guys, yes. So I want you to go over and just check her out, and if you like makeup, or you know someone who does, or you just want to pop in, and because you may see me pop in one time, we kind of thought that would be good to do a mother-daughter thing. So, but I think she did a fabulous job. She bought her own equipment. She has all the right things, like she has a Mac, right, where I just have this computer. She has a beautiful Canon camera, where I have this thing I'm using, which is fine. She's been wanting to do this for a long time, probably since before she left to go to school. So now she has the opportunity, and I'm so proud of her because I think the video is so cute. So, anywho, okay, so here's my burlap. I'm just gonna, oh, before I do that, there was another piece I wanted to do. I'm getting ahead of myself. And where is it? It is, there is a piece of, here we go. I want to layer this down because I want to kind of cover up these holes here because they serve no purpose. So I thought I had another one, but I'm going to kind of put that like right there. Let me just make sure, because I did have another color. So unorganized, Muriel. Oh, there it is on the floor. This one is a lot cuter. It's blue and white polka dot. So what I'm going to do is just raise that up like that. And the only thing it's going to do is give that corner a spot of color. Otherwise. Okay, so let's do that like that. Raise that up like that. Pow. Okay, now let's layer our burlap down.